What's up YouTube, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We got the cord right here, is warming up right now. As you can see, I got a flat right here. Having issues with this tire for a long time now since I got these rims installed. Yeah, it's leaking through here. I don't know if you can hear it, let's see. No, you can't hear it right now. When it's full, you can hear it. Actually, I'm gonna fill up the tire and then I'm gonna let you guys hear real quick. I have a pump in the car that I just plug into the freaking adapter in the car, and then I put air in it. So I'm gonna fill this up. But it's this stud right here, this stem. It's a valve stem. It needs to be changed. Once that's changed, then I won't have that issue no more. This car will be dropped off tomorrow, which for you guys is probably the next day, but yeah, Friday, which is tomorrow for me, this car will be dropped off at Honda to get their emergency brake fix, to fix all the lights. So yeah, I'll do that. Let me get my pump. So while that fills up, I'm gonna talk to you guys real quick about today's video, which make sure you leave a thumbs up, because this video is gonna need a thumbs up. I need likes so that my channel could keep growing. The more likes that my video gets, the more people, more audience will come to my channel, the more people will watch my videos, the more my channel will grow, the more content I can make for you guys, and the more this build can progress. So all you gotta do is literally pause this video real quick. And matter of fact, I'll wait right now. Go ahead, do that. So after you did that like button, see how easy that was? Make sure to do that to all my videos that you watch. Like the video so that I could put more content, you know, put more work into my content and all that. So anyways, let's get to the point of this video and let me explain what I'm gonna teach you guys. So a lot of people been asking me, let me go a little further because that's just loud. A lot of people have been asking me, how do I make my car pop the way it pops? Well, there's a technique that you could do. It doesn't matter what, or if you have the same bolt-ons as me or what. I have a 6-speed manual, so I don't know if it's different for the automatics, but for my car, the way it works is with a technique, and I can teach you guys that technique, which I am. But like I said, just make sure you like my video, like this video right now, because this technique that I'm teaching you guys is basically gonna help you guys pop the same way I pop. You know what I'm saying? So right till now, from the first time my car started popping till now, there has not been an Accord that could pop like mine when I wanted to and all that. So me putting this on video is gonna basically tell and teach everybody how to do what I know how to do. So then, and now everybody's gonna be popping. So this is what it is. Thank me now. Just like the video, comment down below, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. Very, very simple technique. I'm surprised that a lot of people haven't come across it, but it's really, really simple, and I'm really, really shocked nobody has figured it out yet except me. So yeah, I'm gonna teach you guys that now. The pump just finished, as you guys can see. So I'm gonna get in the car and I'm gonna stop talking, and then I'm just gonna talk only to show you guys this technique. All right, so now I got the GoPro out. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do the pops real quick. Simple step. This video, the whole video is gonna be basically showing you how to do the pops. So basically the technique is gonna be, you see you have your RPMs, right? This is common sense shit right now. You know, a lot of people are like, oh my god, he has common sense, you got 2,000 RPM. All right, a lot of people don't understand that. This is the point of the video, is to teach you guys. So we don't need no smart people in the comments. So you see you have 2,000 RPMs, that's where your pops are gonna happen at. So you want to have the car on 2,000 RPM, right? Watch. Go over 2,000, let it go down. Press the gas, tap on the gas pedal. Let's do it again. Go over 2,000, let it go by 2,000, and tap on the gas pedal. That's how you make the car pop. Alright, so again, 2,000 RPM, tap the gas. Let's go third. That was second gear, let's go third. Tap the gas, just tap it, look, tap it. As long as you're around 2,000 RPM, this car is gonna pop. At least for my car. I have a 6-speed manual, so remember that. If you have an automatic doesn't work, then yeah, don't come in the comment section like, it don't work. I mean, I have a manual, man. It works for me. But I'm gonna do it again. Look, I'm on 3rd gear, 2,000 RPM. Tap. Gear. fourth. Look at that. Just keep tapping it. Keep tapping it. Tap, 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 tap. Press the gas. Tap it. There you go. That's how you get a free Burble tune. Free Burble tune without getting tuned. There's no custom tune in this car. No, I'll go over the mods that I have on this car, but I only had a muffler and resonant delete before, and my car was popping a little bit, nothing loud, nothing crazy, but that's when it started popping, when I had a resonator and muffler delete. And then after I did the resonator and muffler delete, I did the down pipe, the front pipe, and that's when it started getting even louder. And it sounds like this with that. And obviously I had K-tuner before, now I have Honda, so it doesn't matter which one you have, K-tuner or Honda, it still does the same thing. If you go to my past videos, you can see that my K-tuner still popped and my Honda popped as well, so it doesn't matter which tuner you pick. This don't have no custom tune or nothing. This is literally me tapping on the gas, as you guys can see. I was literally tapping the gas this whole time. Every time I want at 2,000 RPM, that's where that's its best point. Around 2,000, a little 2,100, and the lowest you could go is probably like 1,900. But yeah, but it works. I'm gonna show you more clips now in a minute. So yeah, guys, please leave a like down below for this video, because I know everybody's gonna like this video. It's a very informational video for popping. You don't need no custom tune, no Burble tune on that. You have your own built-in tune that nobody even knows about, which is the technique. It's not a tune. Let me say that right, because you know people are gonna start thinking they have a tune and shit. No, this is all from factory type. Just the turbo does that by itself, the boost pressure, but the boost. Anyways, leave a like. It's literally simple. All you gotta do is press a like button down below, comment down below, and then if this video gets enough likes, I'm gonna teach you guys how to, when you downshift, how to make the car pop while you downshift. You know what I'm saying? I know how to do that too, but I'm not gonna teach you guys in this video. That's gonna be for a separate video. If this video gets a good amount of likes, like more likes than all my other videos got, so I will make another video on how to downshift with my boy. I'll do another video on how to hook a type R. Run me, man, run me. But yeah, I'll do another video showing you guys how to, when you downshift, how to make the car pop. So let me see if I can show you guys real quick. Hear that? I'll teach you guys how to do that when you're downshifting to make the car pop. So you know, when you go into car meet, or you going to your girl's house, or whatever, you want to show off real quick to your friends, make downshift real quick to make the car pop every gear. Literally, you just gotta know the technique that I know, but I'm not gonna teach you guys in this video. I already told you guys how to make your car pop at 2,000 RPM, which that's gonna be enough for you guys. You guys are gonna have fun with that, because I know now that everybody knows this and sees this video, they're all gonna start posting Instagram videos and YouTube videos on their car popping and shit. So this video is going to be very informational for everybody. And remember, this is a 6-speed manual, it's not the automatic. If you have an automatic, let me know in the comments down below if it works. Let me let this guy pass real quick. If it works for you guys too, because I don't have an automatic, so I wouldn't know. So if it does work for you guys, let me know in the comments down below, so I can let people know that it works for an automatic as well. But yeah, let's get some more sound clips. Yo, I gotta show you guys this. What are those? Yo, this shit is like purple copper, man. It's like Barney touched this shit and sprinkled some copper dust on this shit. Damn, what are those? Got me my favorite thing, coffee. And I got my water, you know, I got me hydrated. My coffee and my water. It's already getting dark already. I'm at work right now, so you guys can know, you know what I'm saying? I already told you guys in the last video. Only day off is Monday, so every video I make is during work. Let's make this car pop. kids real quick. You know what I'm saying? Always stop for that. Never know. Parquéate ahí en el sidewalk.
¿Le viste?
Huh? I don't know what he's talking about. Look, we got an M4 CS. There you go. Mother, fucker, cock, sucker. Right? I'm just playing. Oh man. Kind of messed up the way I was supposed to make videos. I was gonna wait till later on I got out of work, which I just got out of work now. And I was gonna basically do some pulls for you guys and then do some more pops for you guys, but the rain, as you can see, is raining outside. I don't know if you can see because the GoPro is kind of trash with lighting and stuff, but it's raining now. So what I'm gonna do is now I'm gonna drive for a little while, show you guys a few more pops while I drive, and then I'm gonna close out the video once I'm in my garage, and then we talk from there. Parking brake, that's that light. You guys think it's the seatbelt warning thing that keeps dingling, but as you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys right now. My seatbelt is connected. So for those people that are saying that it's my seatbelt, it's not my seatbelt. It is my emergency brake. I told you guys my emergency brake is bad. As you can see, it's flashing over here. I'm taking the car tomorrow, which is be Friday for me, and for you guys probably be like a day or two because I'm ahead by a day. But yeah, see, look, release parking brake. That's the noise that you hear. That's not no seatbelt. That's not a seatbelt warning. That's the release parking brake. My emergency brake is off. It's just that it's messed up. I have to reset it, and Honda's gonna do that tomorrow. So yeah, no more comments about your seatbelt. Wear your seatbelt. I always wear my seatbelt. Alright, I'm back at the garage. As you can see, got the car in. It's raining outside still. The car's wet. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys the mods that I have in the car. Tell you what I have, just in case you guys want to know. To to make your car sound like the way mine sounds exactly like right now. I'm open the hood real quick, and then I'll show you guys. So flip the camera over real quick. As you guys can see right here, let me get some light in. There. As you guys can see, I have a PR oil intake, which you can't see because it's wrapped up in heat shield wrapping. I have a custom cold-air intake done by me, which goes right there. I also wrap some of the intercooler piping. I have pure oil down pipe, pure oil front pipe. I have a Mishimoto oil catch can right there. Hash port mounts, and obviously I have a SI transmission, FX350 clutch, FX350 flywheel, pure oil intercooler, which is in the front. What else do I have? Custom CMC. Yeah, nothing else comes to mind right now, but I think that's about it for like performance mods. Besides that, I want to show you guys and tell you guys that the way my car started popping, I did a muffler delete first, and then I did a resonate delete, and then my car slowly started popping like that. Then once I had K200 Honda, I popped a little more, and then when I did the downpipe, that's when it started popping the way it does now. So, and that's with my straight, I have a single exit right now, single exit exhaust, custom single exit exhaust from the front pipe back, which is 2.5 inches. And this is my stock exhaust system, which is the dual setup from factory. Okay, goes all the way over there. That's the stock piping for this car. Yeah, so it doesn't matter if you have the stock piping, as long as it's straight pipe, your car should pop the way mine pops, so don't worry about that. But I hope this video helped you guys in any way, shape, or form. But what I'm gonna do for the next video is you guys can know if the next video opens up with this engine bay open, is because I'm gonna take my cold air intake off and put the stock airbox one on, which is right down there. I have a K&N filter in that. Put the stock airbox on because I'm gonna take it to, like I said, Honda tomorrow, and I don't want them to give me any, you know, BS about having a custom cold air intake, whatever saying something. I think they're gonna do an oil change for me tomorrow, so yeah. Besides that, I also need to order a new, I don't know how you call it, under tray, because mine's fell out on the highway, I broke it. Also I need a wheel guard on this side. Mine is off, as you guys can see here. Mine is broke off, that half of it, so I need to order that too. I'm gonna order that tomorrow, so I'm gonna order both things tomorrow so I can install it when it comes. Besides that, I hope you guys take something into account of what I told you guys. Like, I hope you guys learned something. This is a technique that I learned myself. There ain't nobody taught me this. One day I was just driving, and then I tapped the gas, and I happened to hear the pops, and I was like, what? And I kept on doing it over and over and over again, and I started noticing that the car basically made itself like a Burble tune type. It just, every time 2000 RPM or over, by 2100, 200, and then 1900, around that area is the best area, the car popped. So I was the first one to figure that out, and now I'm telling everybody how to do it. So I hope you guys appreciate that by liking this video, commenting down below, and if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more content, especially if I'm giving you guys special advice, techniques that nobody ever tells you. I'm the first one to even tell anybody about this, and now everybody's gonna start doing it now. I'm about to see every Accord in the street with downpipes going pop 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 when they see me type. But I hope you guys take this video, appreciate it, and like I said, just stay tuned for more is gonna be coming. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.